Hey guys, welcome back to Atlas Garage. Today we're working on an '05 Dodge 2500 with a Cummins engine in it. We're going to be replacing the front shocks. Alright, I apologize for the poor view that I'm going to give you guys in a minute, but right down there is the top of the shock tower. We've got to take the nut off the top of that, off the top of the shock, and then we've got to take the strut support off. There's 3 nuts that hold it on, and those form a triangle around it. Easiest way to access one of them is through the wheel well, right there. You're going to use an 18mm for the bolt on the top of the shock, and I think it's a 6mm for the shock. Use an adjustable wrench. Alright, so got all 3 of those nuts off, and the shock is going to rise up with the top hat. Now you just got to wiggle that out of there, and then we go to the bottom. Alright, that's out. Now I'm going to take you down low to the axle, and we're going to undo that bolt. Fun. Alright, these main bolts down here, they're going to be right underneath the sway bar end link. They are size 21mm. And they're on there pretty good. The only way that I've been able to get them off is with breaker bar. Oh. Okay. Now I'm just gonna ratchet that out. You could do this with an impact or something faster, but you know, I'm a man of simple things. I don't have all the fanciest stuff. I just get it done. Now all you gotta do, reach between your brake master cylinder and your battery and fish it out. Just like so. Now, the reverse process. Alright, we've got our new shock assembly. We've got our bottom plate, and that's going to go on top like that. We've got the bottom bushing. This one has a cone on it. that helps guide the shock up into the strut tower. I'm just going to push that on. And then we'll feed this back down in there. Now just the reverse process of what we were doing earlier, except now we've got to line up the shock. Get the bolt in. And make sure this sucker's nice and tight. Don't want this coming loose. Alright, now we just reassemble the top, doing the reverse of what we did just a minute ago. Alright, that's one side down. I'm going to hit the other side, get that out of the way. I'll be back. It's very hot out. Whew. Alright guys. Passenger side was a lot harder than I anticipated. I recommend having somebody help you with the passenger side. The bolt that goes on the axle is a lot harder to get to. Have somebody up top just kind of hold on to the top of the shock and just hold it there until you can get the bolt through, and then you're golden. Everything else is a piece of cake. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Throw me a comment down below. I want to hear your feedback. What do you like? What do you hate? What do I need to change? Yeah. Anyways, build your tomorrow. That hurt. Oh, right into the back of the hand.